Dear students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. This class is for Class 8 scholarship students. You will be getting a class related to intelligence test of scholarship. I am Sri Kumar. Let me begin the class.
Dear students, we are entering into a new category of questions which is named as series. As the name indicates, in scholarship IT question paper, a set of things will be given which will be having its own order. That means there is an order in things we find in our nature and in many aspects, certain relationship between things we see in nature, and there will be a sequence or series in them. A specific order will be there. So whether you are able to identify that series or the order or the sequence, how quickly and how accurately, this is a test of intelligence. That means identifying quickly and accurately is a test of intelligence. It can be by using numbers, figures, symbols or wrong terms. Many categories, many subtopics are there. But basically, are you able to identify the sequence or series in this? Just like the question in front of you. Find out the number in the place of question mark. There is a question mark here. You are asked to find out what is in the place of question mark. Understood? And you are in class 8. So the questions will be according to your level. It will not be simply odd numbers, even numbers or something like that. It will be more complicated. Even here, just by observing the numbers, we can feel that the number is decreasing from 568 to 467, 467 to 370, from 370 to 281, then 198, 119. That way it goes. Which tells that there is a deduction, gradual deduction. Deduction can happen by subtraction, deduction can happen by division. These are the two ways by which the value will become less. So if you try to find out the relationship between few of that, you will naturally get some idea. For example, if I try to find out the difference between 568 and 467, I am getting 101. Then 467 minus 370, I am getting 97. Then between 370 and 281, I am subtracting, thinking that there is a difference can help me. I am getting 89. So what is the relationship between these numbers? Is there any relationship? Otherwise, you have to think about, is there any relation by dividing 568 with certain number we get 467, which is difficult. ये तो division का बात ही नहीं है, तो subtraction ही है. So I see that 89, 97, 101. Is there any relationship between? These are such numbers which can be considered as prime numbers. Am I right? Which can be divided by itself and 1? Yes. So in that case, next must be 83, correct? So we'll see 281 minus 198, right? Okay, let me see. Yes, it is 83. That means the number next will be a subtraction from 83, then some numbers to be subtracted, so that you will get the number here after 198, 119. That happens by subtracting 79. So 119 minus 73, correct? So 73 means 6, 4. The answer is 46. So it was sequential subtraction of prime numbers. But this much time is not given. You will develop this, do this fast by practice. This is comparatively a easy task. What happened now? It won't be this easy. Let me go ahead. 1, 2, 6, 21, 88, question mark 2676. It's a big jumping of number. 1 to 2, 2 to 6, 6 to 21, 6 to 21 to 88. Either it will be a kind of multiplication or a complex nature like multiplication and something more. Difference won't work out here because the last one is 2676 means surely multiplication is there, but is there anything more than that? So what are the condition in which we will get 1 becomes 2, 2 becomes 6, 6 becomes 21? What is the situation? 1 can become 2 by adding 1, 2 can become by adding 4, 6 can become this one by 15. So what is the relation between 1, 4 and 15? That is one way where to think. I spent a lot of time with this, pausing the video and working out. I got that a relationship is there, little complicated. 1 into 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 into 2 plus 2 is 6. Correct? 6 into 3 plus 3 is 21. So like that it goes. Right? So now next number 21 into 4 plus 4. Correct? So we are the right track. 88. Correct. That means 88 into 5 plus 5 is the answer. 88 into 5. 5 8s are 40. 44 plus 5. 445. Let me see the option. So yes, 445 is there. Not so easy, but I got it, striked it, but not sure about every time. But practice will help. That is, here it is 1 into 1 plus 1. जो आंसर मिला 2 है. 2 into 2 plus 2. What our answer given is 6. 6 into 3 plus 3. 6 into 3 plus 3, that means 21 into 4 plus 4, 88. Like that it goes. Another experience. Find what is there at the place of question mark. Deduction, reduction it is. 143, 120, 23, 120, 99, 21, 21, 23. Again prime number is coming or what? 99 minus 80s. Not prime number. 19, 19, 21, 23. Then next must be 17, right? 80 minus 17. Sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry. I jumped to the conclusion. 80. The next number is 63. 80 minus 63 is 17. So we know that next must be 63 minus, this is 17, 19, 21. So it will be 15. That means 48. Is there 48 in the answer? Yes. 48 is there. Okay, this way sometime it will be easy. Here is next one. Again, what in the place of question mark? An increasing order. Can be addition, can be multiplication, or both. The numbers are 0, then 1, then 5, then 14, it goes on. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 9. So 1, 4, 9. Is there any relationship? 14 afterwards 30. Means 16 is added. 1, 4, 9, 6. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. Okay. Then 5 square is 25. 30 plus 5 square. That is 55. 55 plus 6 square, correct? Which is equal to 36 plus 291, correct? 91 plus 7 square, that must be the answer. That means 0 plus 1 square, तो आपको मिलेगा 0, right? That is what happened in the first case, right? And 1 plus 1 square, which becomes 1 plus 1 square, 2 square, not 1 square, 2 square. That's why you got 5 here. Right. So like that it goes. Then it is, next comes 5 plus 3 square, that is 14. Correct. So that way it is. I will rub out and make it clear for you. See, the idea is, first one is 1, second one is 5, and third one is 14. Now 0 is also there. Then 30 I have written here. So from this I got the idea. This is 1, the difference is 1, difference is 4, difference is 9. So I found that these are all squares. Squares plus that number. That is 4 square plus, sorry, 4 is 2 square plus 5 is 14. 2 square plus 5 is 9. 9. After getting 9, what happens here? You are having 14, the difference is 9. From that I found that these are all difference of squares. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. Next, the difference must be 16. Correct? The difference between the next number, and the next number happened to be 30 here. So from that I could say that from 30, the next difference must be of 5 square, 55, 6 square, 91, 7 square, and the answer is 140. Correct? And it is the answer. Okay, next. Wrong term in there is no question mark. There is a wrong term in the one is wrong in this. One doesn't fit into that. There is a relationship between all these, but one doesn't fit. Which one is it? That's the question. 23, 34, 49, 64, 83, 106, and 135, 166, like that it goes. $23 बढ़ते जा रहे. That means there is a difference of 11. There is a difference of 15. There is a difference of 15. There is a difference of 90. There is a difference of 23. Okay, I got the idea. There is a difference of 29. There is a difference of 31. So here the difference between 49 and 64 is 15. 34 and 49 is also 15. 64 to this one is 17, 19. So this must be 17 here. This is 15, okay. This 11 is okay. No, this must be 13. 15, 19, 23, 29, 31. Okay, the difference is 11 here, 15 here, again 15 here, and here comes the clue for our answer. It should be less, 47 here. If it was 47, then naturally the difference will be 47 to this, it will be 70. Okay. So 11, 13. So this is a wrong one, because this is, if this becomes 47, the difference will be automatically 13. Here it will be, if it is 13, this will become 47, then 17. Understood? 11, 13, 17, then 19, then 23. What you understand from this? 29, 31. This is the series. So your answer is changing this one 49, isko 47 karna padega. This is a wrong term. Wrong because it should be 11, 13, 17, 19 prime number series. Oh, this is an alphabet series question. Find the wrong term again. Let me make the alphabet series before, because that will be easy for A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. I am writing this. B is 2, because if we write this 1, 6, 11, 16, 21, V is 22, F is 6, then R is 18, and J is 10, N is 14, M is 13, J is 10, this J, and R is 18 again. This is what is the positional numbers of this, but is there any connection? I don't know. Because J repeated, R repeated. So we need to find out the relation. 2, 22, 6, 18, 10, 14, 13, 10, 18. Is there any connection? Two, 6, 10. Okay. If you leave one gap like 2, 6, 2 plus 4, 6, 10, this must be 14, then this must be 18, once it is possible. 10, 14, 18, 22, that is perfect. So this one is wrong. It should be 14. 14 means it should be N here. So which is wrong is M. M is wrong. Is it the correct answer? Yes. M is wrong. Because this is second position, 6th position, 10th position, it should be 14th position. Then 18th position is given. The same way, 10th position, 14th position, correct? 18th position, 22nd position. So answer is, the wrong term is the fourth one, M. There is select two correct answers. Find out the wrong term. 7, 12, 17, 21, 27, 32, 37, 41, 47, 52. Two correct answers. It is steadily increasing from left to right. Let us try to find out the difference. 7, 12, 17, 21, 27, 32, 37, 41, 47, 52. Difference is 5, difference is 5, difference is 4 तो 5 होता तो ये 22 होता था. Then the difference will be 5 again. So this is one aspect. 27 difference is 5, difference is 5, difference is 4 here. This happens to be 42. Then difference is 5. So all these are must have a difference of 5. The numbers which I can see is this one is wrongly placed. 41 plus 6, 37 plus 5, 40. This one is wrong. 21 and 41 are not fit into that. 21 is marked, 21 is marked. These two are not in the series. Instead of 21 it should be 22, instead of 41 it should be 42. Okay, let me go ahead. Find out the wrong term in the given series. 5 are given for in the option. A, C, B, D, E, G, F, I, J, K, M, N, O, P, P, Q, R, S. It is quite easy. This is the answer. Only here I can read P, Q, R, S. Here M, N, O, P नहीं है, M, O, N, P है. I, K, J, L, I, J, K, L नहीं है. E, F, G, H, E, G, F, G, H. A, B, C, D नहीं है, A, Z, B, D है. So all these are of same kind. This one is PQRS, which is our normal series. So answer must be 1. So my dear students, these are some sample questions of intelligence test series. When I say sample, pure sample, most of them asked in the previous year, because I can be confident to help you in that way, because this has come. This type can come. That is my warning. That is my advice. And the only way is practice. So practice and practice. Then you will succeed. Thank you. Take time, find time to practice.